Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, west-central Grady County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Apache, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chickasha, Anadarko, Apache, Cyril, Verden, Cement, Norge, Boone, Lake Ellsworth, Lake Chickasha, Minnehaha, Stecker, and Laverty. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area.